Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes, 10th class computer class. We are reading first chapter web application. In this series, we are reading session 2 networking fundamental. In this, we completed what is networking, advantage, disadvantage, types of networking, network architecture, switching techniques. Now, in today's class, we will read network component. Network component is some device that are required to create networking. They are working on the functioning of the network. Some other hardware devices are also required for the proper functioning of the network. These are first, switch. A network switch is a device which connect different computer and devices on a computer network. A switch receives data, processes it and then forward it only to the destination device. It uses packet switching techniques to transfer data on the network. Now, in normal words, switch is a network device. It is used to transfer data from one way to another way, from source to destination. It is used for store and forward. Now, next one, repeater. A repeater simply copies the information arriving at its input and transmit it from the output. This is required at times when the network signal is weakened or distorted over a long distance. This happens if the network passes through an area having a strong electronic magnetic field. The weakened or distorted signal at the input are regenerated and then transmitted by the repeater. This is illustrated in the diagram below. I can show you diagram. Weakened, repeater or regenerated. Repeater, in normal words, repeater is only used to increase the power and strength of signal. If anywhere our computer has low or weak signals in networking, then it regenerated it in high capacity or high speed. Third, hub. Before starting hub, I want to tell you, switch or hub is the same type of devices. They are using for send the data from one way to another way, but only one difference. In switch transfer the data from one way to destination on particular computer, but in hub transfer the data in all attached computers. That's why it is known as dumb, because it doesn't know where is our destination. A hub is a networking device which is similar to a switch, but unlike a switch which transmit the information to a particular device, a hub transmit the received information to all the devices that are connected to it, shown in the figure. That's why hubs are known as dumb switch. Hubs are comparatively cheaper than the switch. I already told you, it transfers the data to the connected all devices, not a particular destination. Like this. This is why it is known as dumb switch. And it question will come in the exam so many times. Router. A router is a network device which route the information around the network. It is also used to connect one network to other network. The header of every packet of the information arriving at a router is checked for the destination, and using the best route, the message is forwarded the next device. Router is using for passing the internet from one computer to so many computers. It's using for internet. Like this. This is our network router. It transmits the network from one way to another way. After that, bridge. A bridge is a device that connect and passes packet between two or network segments that use the same communication protocol. A bridge block of one segment of a network from another. It does act as a filter. The bridge checks the arriving information and transmit it only if required. Okay, bridge is only used for transmit the data from one way to another way, but it checked. If it is required, then it transfer. If it is not required, then no need to transfer. Like this. Now again I want to give you a little bit info about this. Today we read network component. In this we have switch, repeater, hub, router and bridge. Switch is used to transfer the data from one way to another. Repeater is used to increase the speed of the networking. Hub is used to transfer the data from one to another, but it is transfer the data for all connected devices. That's why it is known as dumb switch. Router is used to transfer the internet between the networking. Bridge is used to transfer the data. If it is required, then it will transfer. If it is not required, then no need to transfer. In tomorrow class, we will read network topology. So I hope all of you are safe at home and healthy at home. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.